Kia just unveiled the completely redesigned 2027 Telluride, and this three-row SUV directly addresses every single complaint owners had about the previous generation. If you've been waiting for a mid-size SUV that finally combines more interior space, better fuel economy, and genuine hybrid power without sacrificing capability, this redesign is the answer you've been searching for. While most automakers claim their updates are all new, Kia actually delivered, stretching the wheelbase for real passenger comfort, replacing the thirsty V6 with two modern powertrains, including a 329 horsepower hybrid, and transforming the interior into something that rivals luxury brands. 2027 Telluride gets full redesign. Kia redesigned everything from the ground up, starting with exterior styling that draws immediate attention. The transformation begins at the front end, where a massive high-gloss grille dominates the face, flanked by redesigned headlight units that utilize vertical LED elements rather than the horizontal clusters found on the outgoing model. This vertical lighting signature creates a bolder, more upright stance that signals the Telluride's shift toward rugged luxury. The hood stretches wider than before, emphasizing the SUV's increased dimensions, while maintaining clean, confident lines that avoid the overwrought styling found on some competitors. Moving down the side, flush door handles integrate seamlessly into the bodywork, while the fenders showcase notched wheel arch cladding that adds visual muscle. Kia's designers reshaped the profile to accommodate the longer wheelbase, resulting in proportions that appear more substantial without sacrificing the elegant flow that made the first generation so appealing. The rear end receives equally dramatic updates, with revised vertical taillights that echo the front lighting treatment, creating cohesive design language from every angle. New paint options include black jade green and terrain brown, both formulated to emphasize the Telluride's outdoor capabilities. Picture arriving at a trailhead before sunrise or loading camping gear after sunset. Fumbling with a flashlight while your hands are full creates unnecessary hassle. That's exactly why the X Pro trim includes exterior ground lighting that illuminates areas around the rear doors and tailgate, eliminating the need for headlamps or phone lights when organizing equipment in the dark. But aggressive styling means nothing if the powertrain can't deliver on the promises those bold lines suggest, which brings us to what's happening under the hood. Next generation powertrain. Under the hood sits one of the redesign's most significant changes. The smooth, naturally aspirated V6 that powered every previous Telluride is gone, replaced by a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 that produces 274 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers reveal an interesting trade-off: 17 fewer horsepower than the outgoing V6, but a substantial 49 additional pound-feet of torque. Performance estimates suggest 0 to 60 times around 6.6 to 6.8 seconds, slightly quicker than the previous V6 despite the power deficit. Fuel economy projections point toward ratings around 20 miles per gallon city and 27 to 29 miles per gallon highway with all-wheel drive, representing modest improvements over the outgoing model's 18 city and 23 highway ratings. The bigger news arrives in hybrid form. For the first time in Telluride's history, Kia is offering a gas-electric powertrain, utilizing the same system found in the recently launched Palisade Hybrid. This setup pairs the 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with two electric motors integrated into a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering a combined output of 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. That power advantage translates to estimated 0 to 60 acceleration around 5.8 seconds, making the hybrid the quickest Telluride ever produced. Fuel efficiency takes center stage with the hybrid configuration. Kia estimates the Telluride hybrid will achieve 35 miles per gallon combined, a massive improvement over the gas-only Turbo 4 and light years ahead of the old V6's combined rating of 20 miles per gallon. With an estimated driving range of 600 miles on a single tank, the hybrid addresses one of the most common owner complaints about the original Telluride's thirsty nature. The hybrid also introduces stay mode, allowing the battery pack to operate climate functions, cabin lighting, and the audio system for up to 20 minutes without firing up the gasoline engine. Perfect for tailgating or waiting in parking lots without wasting fuel. All that power and efficiency create new possibilities, but only if Kia engineered enough space to actually use them. Bigger and more spacious. Growth happens in measured increments. The 2027 Telluride stretches to 199.2 inches in overall length, an increase of 2.3 inches that buyers will barely notice in parking situations. The wheelbase tells a more interesting story, expanding by 2.7 inches to reach 116.9 inches between the front and rear axles. That wheelbase extension translates directly into improvements where they matter most: second and third row passenger comfort. Second row legroom increases from 42.4 inches to 43.9 3.0 inches, while third-row occupants gain 0.7 inches, growing from 31.4 inches to 32.1 inches. Anyone who's endured a long road trip with knees pressed against the seat in front understands how those extra fractions of an inch eliminate discomfort that builds into genuine pain after a few hours. The redesigned second-row seats fold farther forward than before, making third-row access noticeably easier. And the new seat design allows child safety seats to remain installed while sliding the second row forward, eliminating the daily frustration parents face. Cargo capacity grows modestly but meaningfully. Behind the third row, the Telluride now offers 22.3 cubic feet of storage space compared to 21.0 cubic feet previously. The hybrid sacrifices 1 cubic foot to accommodate its battery pack, offering 21.3 cubic feet, still competitive with key rivals. With all rows folded, the total cargo volume reaches 86.9 cubic feet. All-new interior. Stepping inside reveals where Kia invested serious development resources. The dashboard design represents a complete departure from the previous generation, adopting a horizontal emphasis that makes the cabin feel wider and more open. Twin 12.3-inch displays dominate the upper dashboard, one serving as the instrument cluster, the other handling infotainment duties. A smaller climate control screen sits below the main touchscreen, allowing temperature and fan speed adjustments without diving into menu systems. Materials quality takes a significant leap upward. Soft touch surfaces cover high contact areas, genuine leather wraps available seating surfaces, and aluminum trim accents add visual interest without crossing into gaudiness. Kia offers multiple interior color combinations, including deep navy with Tuscan umber and a new blackberry purple with sand beige. The X Pro trim receives model-specific interior colors, including all black, deep khaki, and saddle brown configurations. Technology integration reaches new heights. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across all trim levels, joined by dual wireless charging pads that eliminate the tangle of cables that used to clutter center consoles. 6 USB ports scattered throughout the cabin ensure every passenger can keep devices charged on long trips. Voice control responds to "Hey, Kia" commands, interpreting natural speech patterns rather than requiring rigid command structures. Digital Key 2.0 functionality allows owners to unlock and start the Telluride using just their smartphone or Apple Watch. Available features include mesh headrest in the first 2 rows that improve airflow during hot weather, heated seats for all 3 rows on upper trims, and a premium 14-speaker Meridian audio system. The rear console transforms into a table, adding versatility for passengers who need a stable surface for tablets or snacks during road trips. Advanced safety equipment comes standard, with Kia's DriveWise suite bundling blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, safe exit warning, rear occupant alert, parking sensors, and driver attention monitoring. Highway driving assist provides adaptive cruise control with lane centering capabilities, while higher trims add Highway Driving Assist 2 that can execute lane changes in appropriate conditions. The enhanced automatic emergency braking system now includes evasive steering functionality, actively helping drivers avoid collisions rather than just applying brakes. With all these upgrades and improvements over the outgoing model, the obvious question becomes how much Kia is charging for this transformation. Pricing. The 2027 Kia Telluride is hitting dealers in early 2026, with pricing details still under wraps, but certain expectations seem reasonable. The outgoing model starts at $37,885, and the redesigned version will command a premium reflecting its extensive improvements. The price will start under $40,000, positioning the entry-level LX trim competitively against rivals. The lineup will include LX, S, EX, SX, SX Prestige, X-Line, and X Pro trims when sales begin. The hybrid powertrain won't be available on the base LX trim, starting instead with the EX configuration at $46,000. Mid-range SX hybrid models will land around $51,000, while the range-topping SX Prestige hybrid will approach $59,000 when fully equipped. The off-road-focused X Pro trim remains exclusive to the turbocharged gas-only powertrain for now. The X Pro gains additional ground clearance for 2027, rising from 8.4 inches to 9.1 inches, along with expanded exterior ground lighting, black exterior accents, roof rails, all-terrain tires, recovery hooks at both ends, and reinforced wheels with thicker spokes designed for rough terrain. Previous X Pro models offered enhanced towing capacity up to 5,500 pounds compared to 5,000 pounds on standard trims. The 2027 Kia Telluride represents exactly what a redesign should accomplish, addressing genuine owner concerns while building on existing strengths. The stretched wheelbase delivers real improvements in passenger comfort where families need it most. The new hybrid powertrain powertrain finally provides the fuel efficiency three-row buyers have been requesting for years. And the transformed interior elevates the Telluride into territory previously reserved for luxury brands. Starting around $38,000 and arriving in early 2026, this redesigned SUV maintains Kia's reputation for exceptional value, while fixing the shortcomings that kept the original from perfection. For buyers who found the first-generation Telluride almost perfect but wanted better fuel economy, more space, and modern technology, this second generation removes every excuse not to buy one. So the Telluride enters the hybrid segment and, therefore, gets new competitors. If you're in the market for an electrified SUV, you definitely want to check out our next video about the best hybrid SUVs on the market. From the well-rounded CR-V to the luxurious Lexus NX, the market is full of excellent fuel-efficient options.